Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to unhide chat on Telegram, and now let's dive right in. Now to unhide chat on Telegram, first open up your Telegram app on your phone. And now in order to proceed to unhide chat on your Telegram account, guys, we won't be able to directly hide the chat, so we have to hide the chat on the archive section of the Telegram. And after that we will be able to hide the archive section of the Telegram chat. Now in order to view the hidden archives of the Telegram, will be required to swipe down this panel like this on this interface, and you can see at the top of the screen swipe down for archive is coming up. So let's do that again. Let's swipe this interface a little bit down, and the archive chats will be visible for us over here, and all of the chats which we had hidden on the archive section of Telegram will be over here. Now in order to proceed to unhide a chat, you can just unarchive this chat. Let's do that. And to unarchive the chat over here, guys, tap and hold on the chat which you want to unarchive, and after the tick mark or the green tick mark at the left side of the chat appears, the three-dotted icon will be available for us at the top right corner of the screen. Tap on that three-dotted icon at the top right corner of the screen after tapping and holding on the particular chat which you want to unhide or unarchive, and after that tap on unarchive, and that chat will be unhidden, guys. Let's do that again. Let's scroll down, and you can see, guys, the archive chats was hidden, but when you swipe it, the archive chats will be available for us as well as the hidden chats. But guys, we have already unarchived the chat so that it will be out from the archive chats which we had hidden it. And you can see, guys, this is on the chat is available over here, which means that, guys, the chat is now currently unhidden. And with that being said, guys, this is how to unhide a chat on Telegram. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.